want my conversation, baby, put that cash here. I ain't no P to conversate, you need a bag here. I can't go back to being broke, them was them sad years. Was up in Poe screaming, where's the money from the cashier? They know I'm with it, I don't gotta do too much talking. Where was you at when we was young and broke just bus hopping? Free Nutty Nico, I just pray they let them cuffs off him. Bitch, that's my code E. I coulda did it to the neck, don't need no homie. We stripped you to a collateral cause your bro own me. You see what happens when you out here with a phony, nigga. And now we on the road. I show up Barry Thomas phone, bitch, I got honor roll. Can't jump ship, I'ma pop you tryna hop the boat. We slid back to back creepin' tryna honor roll. Cause we be really with that bullshit. If we clapping on some ops, I send a full clip. Bet I face shot a nigga on some cruel shit, nigga. Bet I face shot a nigga on some cruel shit.
Yeah, I've been back to back and asking for the rain to leave. I know they like to talk, but they be talking about the A to B. I'm worried about the C, and I can't let this shit keep facing me. That shit that gets me stressing is the shit that's really making me. And if they ain't gon' see me now, then they won't see me when I'm winning. All these suckers just be joshing, it was never competition. Remember walking through those halls and I was wanting to listen. Remember seeing him out in public and he never got to tripping. Hey, these niggas bitches, he ain't never was a shooter, he was only just a witness. Every time I get up on it, I'm just knowing that I'm gifted. Every time I got up on him, he gon' say that he was lifted. Hey, they better listen, I'm just knowing how it is, so I can always see the difference. Yeah, I know they like to hate, but I ain't stopping till it's finished. It's been SRB, I'm pulling up, I never had a limit. Never had a place to call my home, but now I feel replenished. Got this plan and I ain't stopping till I get it. I've been moving so fast, but I ain't even get a ticket. I can't listen to these suckers, they be drier than a biscuit. Me, my brothers going crazy, so just get up out the kitchen. They ain't never gonna be ready for this shit that we be whipping. It's been easy to talk, but I just hope they pay attention. I done seen it in my dreams and I'm just stuck with premonitions.